Bhagavad is Oshadi. Nam Oshadi. Because we have rog, karma rog, samsara rog, body attachment. This is rog. We're bound. Bada jiva. Shrinkala. Shrinkala. Shrinkala means chains. Shrinkala. Shrinkala. So, in Ayurveda, there's two very powerful medicines. One medicine is called Sanjivani Ras. Sanjivani. It gives life. You may be dying. You take Sanjivani Ras, then Jivan Sayad. Must, Sharir must take it. You're all right. Tip top. Health, okay. But that's Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. That's Sanjivani. But Hare Krishna, because everyone says you just chant Hare Krishna. And here, I agree. Just chant Hare Krishna. That's Sanjivani. Sanjivani keeps you alive. It's a rasayana. It's a dawa. So Sanjivani keeps you alive. If you're dying, it brings you back to life. But there's more to life than living.